Hello, today I'm going to show you how to solve the book puzzle, which is part of Escape Game 50 Rooms number 2, and it's in room 11. The book puzzle is in room 11. Okay, so once you've gone into that room, then just you've got to go over here to the back wall. So just tap on the back wall, and then you need to tap again on that set of books that are just sort of 2 down from the top. So tap on there, and then it's a matter of sorting those books into the right order to reveal the code, which is used further on in this level. So the first book you want to move is this medium sort of size thickness book with the woman with is sort of dancing there. So tap on that book and move it over to the left hand side. Now next is this thick book with those 2 blokes with the 2 heads, and that goes into the second position. The third book is this skinny book with a woman there who's dancing with 1 hand in the air. So pop that in that position. Now the fourth book is this book with 2 people there with 3 hands in the air, the thick book. That goes into the 4th position. And that book that's now in the 5th position, that's correct, that skinny book with the man. And then the final thing is just a matter of swapping those 2 books over. So I'll tap on that book with the that thick book with the woman in it, and put that into the 6th position, and there we go, the puzzle solved, and that's the code 668 that's used further on in this level. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.